Hello all, welcome to the day 20 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. A brooch is a small piece of jewelry with a pin at the back so it can be fastened to a dress, blouse or coat. Some brooch designs are shown below. Observe them carefully. Design A. Brooch A is made using silver wire shaped into a circle with a diameter of 28 millimeter. So the radius will be 28 upon 2, which is 14 millimeter. 4 diameters of wire are added inside the circle, dividing it into 8 equal sections. Design B. Brooch B is made using two colors, gold and silver. The inner portion is silver with a circumference of 44 millimeter. Surrounding it is a gold band that is uniformly 3 meter wide. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. The radii of inner ring is not directly mentioned, but we have the circumference of the circle given. For now, let's name the radius as small r and the radius of the outer ring as capital R. The uniform width is 3 millimeter. Question 1 and 2 are based on design A. The first question, the total length of the silver wire required is. To get the total length, we have to add the circumference of the circle plus 4 times the diameter, which is 2 pi r plus 4 into 28, 2 times 22 by 7 times 14 plus 112. On simplifying, we get 88 plus 112, which is 200 millimeter. So the answer is option B. Question 2. The area of each sector of the brooch is. To get the area of one sector, we have to divide the entire circle's area by 8 because we have 8 equal sectors in it. Area of one sector is equal to pi r square upon 8, which is 1 by 8 times 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. On simplifying, we get 77 millimeter square. So the answer is option C. Questions 3, 4, 5 are based on design B. Question 3. The circumference of the outer part is. The inner part radius is smaller and the outer part's radius, let it be capital R. But as far as the inner circle is concerned, we know the circumference. Circumference of silver is 44. 2 pi r is 44 millimeter. From here we get 44 upon 2 into 22 by 7, which is 7 millimeter. So this is the radius of the inner ring. To get the radius of the outer ring, we have to add that uniform width, which is 3. So the radius of the outer ring is 10 millimeter. Now in the question, we are supposed to find out circumference of the outer part. So circumference of golden part, which is again 2 pi capital R, 2 times 22 by 7 into 10, which gives us 62.86 millimeter. So the answer is option D. Question 4. The difference of areas of golden and silver parts. Difference in area can be got by subtracting the outer area minus the inner area. Taking pi as common, we get pi times capital R square minus small r square, which is pi times 10 square minus 7 square. That is pi times 100 minus 49, which is 51 pi. Answer is option C. Question 5. A boy is playing with brooch B. He makes a revolution with it along its edge. How many complete revolutions must it take to cover 80 pi millimeter? To get the number of revolutions, we have to divide the total distance covered by circumference of that ring, which is 80 pi upon 2 pi r. The pi can be cancelled, so we are left with 80 upon 2 into 10, which is 4. So it goes 4 complete revolutions to cover 80 pi millimeter. So the option is C. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.